Good morning to one and all present here. A warm welcome to the dignitaries, faculties, and my dear students. I, Melita Fernandez, Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology, would like to start with a brief introduction of our principal, Dr. Sharad S. Pulari, sir. He is a passionate workaholic person to lead the educational establishment. He strives to set qualitative and quantitative new horizons in teaching, research, and administration. He holds his PhD in botany genetics. He has overall experience of 31 years, out of which he has 21 years of experience as associate professor and 10 years of leading the institutes as principal. He is an innovative scientist as he has worked on 4 research projects, 88 research papers, and attended more than 35 conferences. He is a notable educationalist as he has written 6 books published by Lulu Publications USA. He is an experienced NSS program officer, cultural coordinator. He has achieved many awards. The most notable are Best Teacher Award, honored by University of Mumbai in 2014-15, Lifetime Education Award by Intern Institution of Education and Management, New Delhi, felicitated by Krishnamurthy, former Election Commissioner of India, and Justice O.P. Verma, former Governor of Punjab. He stood first in botany in Shivaji University, felicitated by Honorable P.V. Narasimhan Rao. With this, I will now request Principal Sir to share his thoughts with our audience.
Good morning to everyone. Welcome to all dignitaries, researchers, participants, respected resource personalities, chief guest and key presenter, along with the students who are young budding scientists. A warm welcome. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that today, on the 26th November 2021, there is opening of National Conference on how machines, information tools had changed the world. Jagadu Singh Charitable Trust, Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, Kandivali, Mumbai, is host for this national conference. Myself, Dr. Sharad Fulari, being principal head of the institution, along with the internal quality assurance cell and computer science department and the information technology department of the college, feels so very proud to be part of organizing today's national e-conference on the IoT. IoT is indispensable part of advanced IT age. To what extent the IoT changed the world is the main theme of today's national e-conference. The conference is proposed to discuss on sub-themes such as IoT and the blockchain, IoT blockchain and the encrypton. There is another sub-theme, IoT in healthcare and telemedicine. Another sub-theme is IoT analysis and production. there is additional sub-theme is IoT, cybersecurity and cloud. The sub-theme is also IoT, gaming and robotics, IoT in the smart homes and devices, IoT in the waste management and the route optimization, IoT in the smart farming and automation. The sub-theme is IoT in the smart schools and the Wi-Fi technology, IoT as an intelligent management system and smart vehicles. These are the sub-themes which focus on the theme that is how the IoT had changed the world. This national conference describes the network of physical objects embedded with the sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging the data with other devices and systems over the internet. I repeat, this national conference describes the network of physical objects embedded with the sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging the data with other devices and systems over the internet. IoT range from ordinary household objects to sophisticated individual robotic tools. Over the past few years, IoT has become one of the most important technologies of the 21st century. 10 billion IoT devices in the 2011, experts are expecting the number to grow to 22 billion by 2025. This figure indicates the IoT has become one of the most important technology of the 21st century. I repeat the figures: 10 billion IoT devices in 2011, while experts are expecting the number to grow to the 22 billion IoT technology devices by the 2025. Therefore, IQAC, CS and IT department of Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, Kandivali, Mumbai, thought to organize the national meeting of scholars, of teachers, of intellectuals, industrialists and the students with a shared interest. It would result in interchange of the views by discussing matters of the common concern amongst the scholars, teachers, intellectuals, industrialists, as well as the students. Let me take a privilege to welcome the chief guest for today's national conference, Honorable Mr. Yash Singh Sir. Sir is the chief guest of today's national conference. Every thought you produce, anything you say, any action you do, it bears your signature. I repeat, anything thought you produce, that is, I'm talking about the Yash Singh sir. Anything thought Yash Singh sir produce, anything Yash Singh sir says, any action of the Yash Singh sir, it bears his own signature. It is the just greatness of Honorable Yash Singh sir as our chief guest. Honorable Mrs. Asmita Deshmukh Madam is the keynote speaker for today's national conference. Madam is clever and wise in this IoT field. Madam is thinker in artificial intelligence and IoT. Her own action in this field is as experiments and the questions has attempted to find out the success. Her ability to observe is the highest form of the intelligence. The tremendous efforts put in by the Aishwarya Sedamkar madam and Jagruti madam for organization of the today's conference in capacity of the convener. It's a matter of the tremendous efforts once again. My teacher colleagues Rita Pal madam, Pratiksha Prajapati madam, Anam Khan madam, Kishan Singh sir, Melita Fernandez madam, and Anuja Gaikwad madam are great contributors in making success of the National In Conference. The self-belief and hard work of conveners and my teacher colleagues will definitely earn success in this national conference. The financial and moral support extended for today's national conference is by the President of Thakur Charitable Trust, Sri V.K. Singh Sir, and Chief Executive Officer of Jagru Singh Charitable Trust, Sri Rajesh Singh Sir. The management of this college have learned the power of sincere and selfless contribution for the society. I would like to say again, the management of this college in the form of the V.K. Singh Sir and Honorable Rajesh Singh Sir, they are having a, a great power of a selfless contribution for the society. In conclusion of this national conference inauguration function, I would like to say that coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is a success. We, all the organizer, delegate, researchers, students, all are coming together for this national conference, of course, for the progress in the knowledge of IoT field. And let us keep the promise of working together for the success. Thank you very much.